So if you want to start a content agency in 2025, then this is the video for you. I started literally at charging $300 as a video editor, editing videos for YouTube channels, towards charging one client $20,000 over a period of a longer time of collaboration, and I have multiple of those clients. And in this video I'm literally giving everything away, my whole journey, how I got started at zero and how I have today 2, 3, 4 clients and make roughly between $6,000 and $12,000. So the first time I was doing YouTube agency, or I had a YouTube agency, I didn't even knew I had a YouTube agency. So I was editing YouTube videos for a YouTube channel in the fitness space, and I was charging $300 per month editing all the videos. And later on, this YouTube channel grew to over 100,000 followers. And there I had my first testimonial, because now this business made a lot of money based off my help doing these videos for them. Now I took the next step towards building another channel with knowledge. So when you want to get a lot of clients which need your help, you actually need to offer value so they can make more money with your video skills or with your marketing skills, understanding what videos need to be published on the YouTube platform so they can build a funnel, or you can build a funnel to then streamline down more clients into their calendar, which ends up closing more deals and they make more money than they give you. So I pivot then from editing these fitness videos, going towards kind of business, real estate, coaching, education, and suddenly I could close per client not these 300s, I could close $3,000 per month. It was actually 3,000 euros per month, so even a bit more. And what did I do there? I understood what videos needs to be published by this specific business, by this niche, to attract clients. And then I learned the whole thing of not only editing the videos, because previously I was a video editor and filmmaker. I pivoted towards understanding what is marketing actually, how to build funnels, and actually doing it. So by the first time I actually understood how to build funnels, I built the funnels actually, and I integrated those for those businesses. And suddenly they got clients and made more money. So for example, in the real estate space, I got clients suddenly, they wanted to spend 10 million US. So I acquired with my skill with video, and I understood what videos to post and tell them what videos to record. I acquired customers willing to spend 10 million US. At that moment, I knew my skill is valuable and I can replicate this for other businesses and make them more money. So I can charge $3, $5, or even $20,000, obviously over a period, but with a commitment from the client that we work for a certain time. And suddenly the whole thing became so easy just by focusing on very boring things. So, and today I don't need to go out and film these videos anymore. Yes, today I live in Dubai. I still do this with specific clients here in Dubai. I have clients in Germany as well, where we tell them what to shoot, what kind of videos. They send it over, we do the whole editing and everything, and then we publish it and we build the funnel so we get high ticket clients over the YouTube channel and they make more money than we do. There are other possibilities as well in the future where you can not only charge $3,000 per month, but you can also take a profit share, for example. So if you really want to get into this, like Nico, I showed Nico in 60 days how to make or how to close, or he closed actually a $20,000 deal. Here's the proof.
So from my experience, I knew that YouTube is a super valuable marketing tool and that I theoretically could help businesses building up their YouTube channel and earn a lot of money with it. But my question was, of course, how to reach those people. While searching how to do it, I found Noah in Creator Scale, and his advices and tools gave me the opportunity to close my first deal of $20,000. I can confidently say that this wouldn't have been possible without Noah. So if you want to do the same, I would recommend that you just have a call with him and talk with him about your goals. For me at least, it definitely worked out.
So if you also want to do it like Nico, then click the first link in the description. You find a full breakdown video. You find also there the testimonial, and you can book straight away a call into my calendar, and I can speak to you. We can talk together. You can ask me any questions and we can take a look if we can also implement the same thing, starting a YouTube agency, operating as a YouTube agency, and close high ticket sales such as $20,000 commitments, $20,000 deals with clients. So with that being said, either we see each other in a call, you can also send me an Instagram DM to ask me any questions, or we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.